Hi everyone! My daughter is in her final semester of her master's program at Columbia University. This time, she is staying in Midtown, and we had the chance to stay with her for 3 weeks. Join me as I take you on a tour of her new apartment. We had such a great time staying with her. Everything is so convenient, whether you're walking to Fifth Avenue or Central Park, or hopping on the subway to explore the city. Let's check it out. Melody's apartment is right there. Somewhere there. 19th floor. It's okay, it's check-in time. My Filipino.
I don't know when.
Where are you from? From the Philippines?
Ano po? Tubigaro po.
Ah, Tugigaraw.
Pero I grew up.
Wait, that's in Cagayan.
Yes. Pero I was
I'm from Cagayan too.
my dad's side.
Ballesteros. Yes.
Hours away from
Yes.
Linaw East naman po ako.
Linaw.
Linaw.
Oh my God, yeah, we used to go to Linaw, but I'm scared to go there because we go Apari.
Oh, yes,
We have to ride a boat. 19th floor. Until what floor is this?
20 ka? 19. O 19? Ang mabuti 19 ka. There's a...
Camera.
Okay, good. There's a camera. 19th floor, A and B.
91. Okay, he said there's a key.
Smell food. Smell ginisa.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Where's the light?
Right here. Where's that?
So nice smell.
Oh.
What's this light?
We can cook. We can cook.
So what's the switch?
Malaman ka yan. Ay, saan mo dati ka sa Crown? Dati kayo kayo? Crown?
Yeah.
Yes, nang yan. Crown Plaza. Ayan oh, yung this where we stayed. Crown Plaza. I mean, we're staying there one more night. Okay, let's see your room, Mel.
No, you can sleep here.
Look at Melody's, ano, oh.
Folding bed. Mel, it's a folding bed.
Oh, yeah?
It's a folding bed.
Oh, wow.
This is like bigger than my bedroom.
It is. Open the blind, baby girl. How come there's no lights?
Oh my god, look at this closet. Look at the closet.
Oh my God, it comes with towels.
Wait, do I have another closet?
Oh, you have mirror already, Melody.
Where's the light?
She has a mirror already. Okay, what's in here?
Naglawan mo gaya.
I know. Oh, gosh, I don't like the light. It's so dark.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. We can wash clothes now.
Kasi dano ko di ay ice cube.
Ada na?
Awanan mo.
Oh,
Ikakag. Tanong bali mo.
wait, where's the fridge?
In there. It's hidden.
Let me see.
One.
This a fridge.
Yes, it's hidden.
Push it.
Library.
Oh, what's this one?
Oh, it's not on.
Oh. Okay, this is the golf simulator.
Oh, there's a club.
Oh, nice.
here.
Yeah, just come here next time. Oh, you can go out. Oh, nice. Wanna go out? Oh, fresh air. It's nice. I like it.
Krispy Kreme.
Club on the square terrace. So we're going to check out the rooftop for the first time. Okay.
Oh, you get to see it. Where's the...
So this is the view at the rooftop at Melody's apartment. That is the boat drop there every New Year. That's where they do it. And then this side is, I think, 7th Avenue. Barclays. Also, you have, you can see the edge right there. We went there twice already. Okay, let's go to the other side. That's Morgan Stanley, W Hotel, Crown Plaza. We stayed here 2 times already also. Oh, you have a pic of the Hudson River right there. And this side is the Broadway. out from her apartment, you will see the ball drop right there. That's where it takes place, this building. See that 2024 right there. And then you have this spot right here in front of the building for all residents only during New Year. But too bad, we only gonna stay here until December 22.
Mommy, what you doing?
I'm waiting for Melody. She's right there. That's her. So let me show you guys our situation here. Abby sleeps here in the living room with our, what you call this bed?
Airbed.
Inflatable bed.
It's airbed.
It's a full size. So he's comfortable. You're comfortable, right?
It's comfortable.
And this is his office right now. There's an office, but my mother-in-law is using it to sleep. So this is,
Here, let me show you the bed.
that's her bed. So this is me and my daughter sleeps. She has a queen size bed. It fit perfectly. And with a nice balcony.